Welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Alex Endres, and I'm here at the SPE Hydraulic Fracturing Technical Conference in the Woodlands, Texas. And joining me here is Sean Canning. He's Product Manager of Unconventional Completions Frac Sleeve Systems. Sean, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much for your time and opportunity.
So can you first tell us about the Halliburton Rapid Start Initiator Test Sleeves and how they work?
If you're familiar with the unconventional completions and the way the wellbore is drilled, you have your heel and then it goes out to the toe of the well. So our Rapid Start Initiator Casing Test Sleeve, or CT sleeve, is installed at the toe of the well, and it allows operators an interventionless means to open up their wellbore later on in life of the well when the cement is set up. So basically what they'll do is they'll come back after the cement is set up, apply pressure from surface. The pressure will be applied upon the tool. The tool will then activate, and then it'll start to meter into the open position. That metering time frame gives operators a chance to get a casing integrity test.
Recently it was announced that the test sleeves were able to complete a true casing test after 32 months downhole for Murphy E&P. Can you tell us about that application and how the test sleeves were able to accomplish that task?
Yeah, it's pretty simple enough. The tool's designed to open up and meter into the open position. So these tools were installed in their wellbores before the downturn in the market happened. And unfortunately, due to the downturn, some operators have delayed completing their wells. So this proposed a kind of a challenge to Murphy because they've had existing wellbores with frac sleeves in them, in this instance, toe sleeves. And so you had to consider the risk there. You either have to get TCP or coil tubing to come out and perforate the toe of the well, or you have the toe sleeve that's already in the well and hope that it works right. So in this instance, Murphy had our casing test toe sleeve installed in their wellbores, and were able to come back and pressure up and open up the tools. They were repeatable and reliable and opened up in the predictable time frame.
So we're seeing that operators are starting to come back to previously drilled but uncompleted wells and completing them. Can you tell us about how this affects the capability needs for completions equipment?
Well, it kind of drives the importance or the imperative need for highly engineered solutions or engineered solutions. So with Halliburton completion tools, we engineer our products for life of well planning. And so with tools like this, what you see is a tool that is not designed to open up 2 months later, 3 months later. It's designed to open up much later as well in the life of the well.
Sean, thanks again for chatting with us.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us today at drillingcontractor.org.